Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of layout on the application of Netflix. You will click on settings. Here in this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings, and above you can search about Netflix and you will enter Netflix here. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can delete your account. So please don't forget to support us, like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.